Christmas is just around the corner, so let's take a quick look at some last-minute gift ideas under 150 bucks for the outdoorsman in your life. Hey crew, it's Chris with CloverTac and welcome back to the channel. Real quick before we get to the list today, a reminder that down below you'll find the link to my Amazon influencer store. And anything you purchase through that store doesn't have to be items actually in the store. Well, you're helping out the channel. And while I do appreciate those who shop that link, please do your homework, shop around online, find those best deals. Amazon is not always the cheapest price. The first item on this list today is something that everyone needs, whether you're an outdoorsman or not, and that's going to be a medical kit. The Falcon MedTac Trauma Kit over on Amazon is going to have pretty much everything mission critical you're going to need in a very small, compact, MOLLE-compatible package. This kit contains a tourniquet, an Israeli bandage, hemostatic gauze, and a whole lot more with room to spare for extra supplies if need be. This next item can have a wide variety of applications. The TruSpec Tech Sling Backpack is a great little pack that can be used for just about any outdoor adventure. With lots of compartments in MOLLE, this little pack pretty much has it all. Now, I own several of these little packs along with other items from TruSpec and can definitely speak to the quality of their products. Before we continue with the list, just want to welcome all the new folks out there here on CloverTac. We talk about all things firearm related, sometimes firearm adjacent. So if you're into that sort of thing, jump down and smash that subscribe button. And if you want to keep up with new content, go ahead, click that notification bell as well. Continuing with the list, what outdoorsman out there doesn't need an awesome flashlight? And for me, I make no bones about it, a super huge fanboy of Streamlight. I own several flashlights from Streamlight, including the model we're going to talk about now, the Streamlight Stinger LED. This particular setup over on Amazon includes the 800 lumen Stinger flashlight, as well as all the accessories you need to charge this flashlight at home or on the go. Now, keep in mind when you're looking at these Stinger flashlights that some of the cheaper prices you see do not include the chargers, so be aware of that when you're shopping around. Next up on this list is probably the best multi-tool I've ever owned in my life. With the sheer amount of tools available on the Gun Tool Max from real Avid, this little multi-tool is a bit heavy, still makes it a great addition for that backpack, range bag, toolbox, or glove box. Now, while this is a great idea for any outdoorsman, it will particularly be appreciated by those outdoorsmen who are also firearm enthusiasts. And now a question of the day designed for those that might be looking for gift ideas. So jump down in the comments below and share with us some of your suggestions for great gift ideas under 150 bucks. And rounding out the gift idea list today is something that I've owned and used heavily for many years. That's a really nice pair of waterproof snake boots. Here in Texas, the outdoorsman is very likely to run into a copperhead, cottonmouth, coral snake, or even rattlesnake. The Link snake boots from Rocky are absolutely fantastic. They're well built, they're comfortable, they're stylish, and I can personally testify that they hold up very well even after years of use. So there you go, crew, a quick list of gift ideas under 150 bucks that Santa Claus definitely needs to know about before he makes his Christmas Eve midnight run. Want to take a minute and wish everybody out there a very Merry Christmas or whatever holiday you happen to celebrate. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.